So I'm here at the dealer picking up my 2022 Tundra for the engine, full engine replacement recall, which is my 22nd recall, 25, I don't know, like 25 or a lot of recalls. Um, I'll add some pictures. There were missing screws, seals, hose strangle. So I sent it back. And now I'm waiting again to get my car. Because they're gonna put those screw back on the missing things back in. Hopefully I don't die while driving it. Um, and hopefully it doesn't have any more missing screws, which is concerning. So, yeah. Okay. All right. Sorry. No worries. So, but yeah, we'll see. This is I don't know. This is concerning.